If it wasn't for Hurricane Ian, I would be in Ohio right now seeing the last NSX, specifically the Type S of the 2nd gen, be built by hand at the Performance Manufacturing Center. But we know what happened this past week in South Florida, and instead I'm at home and I'm able to give you some exciting things coming from the PMC Center, so the Performance Manufacturing Center for Acura. This year's PMC vehicle is going to be an all-new TLX Type S, so let's get into it. So Acura's given me this press release. I'll read through it, but I won't bore you guys with the text. I'll be flashing the images of the vehicles for you as I go through this. So we have reservations for the limited production run of the Acura TLX Type S PMC edition. It opens tomorrow, October 6th. There will only be 300 units produced by hand, and it will be available in 3 NSX-derived colors: Curva Red, 130R white, and a Long Beach blue. Now that the NSX has concluded, they got to keep these workers busy. They got to keep these hand builders of the NSX busy. And what better way to do it with some exclusive hand-built Type S models from the Acura side? I won't be surprised if we see some MDX Type S hand-built for next year. Stay tuned for that. TLX Type S PMC edition will be available for reservations starting at 10 a.m. Pacific time, Acura.com, October 6th. Now we said 300 units. 100 units will be offered in each of the 3 NSX premium colors: the Curva Red, the 130R white, and the Long Beach blue. So the Curva Red of reservations open on October 6th. The white reservations open up on November 9th, and the Long Beach blue on December 8th. We don't have official MSRP yet, but it looks to be in the low to mid $60,000 range. And just keep in mind, that's about 10 grand more than a normal TLX Type S. Exclusive to this PMC edition are going to be Berlina black painted roofs, antennas, and door handles, as well as black chrome quad exhaust finishers. The 21-inch NSX-inspired Y-spoke wheels are going to have that copper finish, and it's the first copper wheels I believe we've seen on an Acura model. Additional exterior enhancements include a carbon fiber, a deck lid spoiler, a carbon fiber rear diffuser, lower side sill garnish, and gloss black exterior badging. Inside the PMC TLX Type S is more carbon fiber interior trim panels, illuminated side sills, and premium floor mats with Type S badges and colored accent binding. So the Curva Red painted TLXs are going to have a black interior highlighted by red contrast stitching. The Long Beach blue will have the orchid interior with blue stitching, and the 130R white is paired exclusively with a sporty red interior. You will have a serial plaque on the lower console designating the limited edition vehicle. In terms of the powertrain, it is identical to all the other TLX Type S's. The 3-liter turbocharged V6, 355 horsepower, of course, super handling all-wheel drive standard. Brembo brakes in the front and the double wishbone front suspension as well. Of course, it has the 17-speaker ELS audio system, the 16-way driver and front passenger sports seats with adjustable bolsters. We have the Acura Watch standard safety features, and each PMC edition of the Type S TLX receives the same quality control process as the NSX, including a dyno check, paint inspection, rough road simulation. Each TLX Type S PMC will be wrapped in a specially designed car cover and transported to Acura dealers via enclosed single car carriers. So the PMC edition TLX Type S essentially is given the kitchen sink of dealer installed options with all that carbon fiber. And that, of course, is going to raise the price. And what else raises the prices is that it's hand built by the master craftsmen who build the NSX by hand. So pretty cool. What do you guys think? Would you be dropping over 60K for no more performance than a standard TLX Type S? Does this exclusivity warrant the 10 grand upgrade? That will be up to the buyers to decide. What do you guys think? I'll see you guys down below. If you enjoyed this quick little rundown of the PMC edition TLX Type S, it's a mouthful. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe for more Acura news updates. Even though I didn't make it to Ohio to see the last NSX be built at the PMC Center, I'm just grateful that I'm okay. My family's okay. I have a house to go back to, and we have power and internet, so I can entertain my kids and hang out with you guys. Man, internet's a beautiful thing. I'm going to check you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and peace out.